Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Banaita and welcome to my first ever vlog. It is 30th of December 2025. It's 6 o'clock in the evening and I'm starting the vlog right now. 2025 is literally ending tomorrow. Tomorrow's 31st of December and I have no plans, at least yet. But I am glad that I am at home just chilling, taking some time off work. This was much needed because lately work has been really hectic, but I'm so glad everything's gone so well. So if you all don't know, I work at Sara Sarosh's brand Impulse Coffees, which is a instant coffee brand, and we recently launched our sachets and it was hell of a launch. I mean, everything that could possibly go wrong in a launch went wrong, but still it worked out so beautifully. We started taking pre-orders for the very first time and we decided to launch the product officially on 27th of December, and literally on 26th December at night we were sold out. I mean, literally, we all have like never experienced something like this before. So we all uh, worked around for a different plan, and then everything just happened. If you all don't know what's happened, then you should go check it out on Instagram and on YouTube Shorts of Impulse Coffees as well. So currently, the situation is that my dad and I and mom, we are going to our other house. We are just taking a few things and we need to like set up a bit. So I'll give you all a gist of what is happening, like other house, like what I'll tell you all in a bit. But I need to get ready first, and I'll get ready quickly and then give you all an update on what actually is happening, like this house, other house, what is it. I'll tell you all in a bit. This is what I'm wearing, jeans and kurta, don't mind this. This is the book that I am currently reading. This is Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, and I have been trying to like finish this book for so long, but I just haven't gotten the time in the entire year, literally. But yep, I am trying to finish as much as I can. Sorry, having trouble putting my face and camera and phone, everything in one frame. The next day, it's 31st of December. It's the last day of the year. Can't believe 2025 has ended. And sorry if you're getting train noises, like I live very close to the station and like the station is right here, like at the back. So yesterday I started the vlog by saying that I'm going to the new house and setting things up, and I showed you all a few clips of like us going there and like setting things up, but never really got to sitting down and talking to you all yesterday because we were very tired after we came home. So I'm doing that now. So basically it's not the new house, so we currently have two houses, and this house where we are staying right now, so that is my grandparents house, that is my nana nani's house, and the other house, that is my dada dadi's house. So that house, so particularly that building actually was under structural repair for the past I think 3 years or so, and everything, like we started renovating the house in January 2025, and it shouldn't have taken this long to be done, but like there was a lot that happened in between, like the work was stopped in between for a few reasons, and then like there was a like leak in the ceiling after it was done, so we had to break the ceiling and we have to wait for the rains to stop and then rebuild it, and like there was a lot of like back and forth and like so many things, like in between there was so many festivals, holidays, labor's not coming, and like there were a lot of like things happening here and there, and now finally everything is done in the house. We like need to set it up, like basic things, like set it up as in there's nothing for us to like take from this house to that house, like in like big things like furniture and all of that, because everything over there is all fresh or new furniture, new fridge, new appliances, everything. Because whatever we had before, like whatever we could get uh, from there when it went in repair over here, we've brought that and we've used that over here. So again, taking things from here to that house, and like it becomes too much, so we've like done everything from scratch, like literally. Um after the repair and everything was done, like we were given only four walls and a ceiling. We've built everything from scratch, from the smallest of the small to the biggest of the biggest thing. And yeah, finally now everything is done, like house like repair and all of that kind of thing is done. We just need to like clean the house, like deep clean the house, and like start setting things up, take our clothes, utensils, everything, all of those things. So but still like our housewarming ceremony is not done, like housewarming as in जैसे दूसरे कल्चर्स में लाइक यू हैव गृह प्रवेश और लाइक दैट पूजा जो होती है, वैसे इवन इन आर रिलीजन पारसीज वी डू हैव अ small ceremony where our priests they come home and they pray for the well-being of the house and like the family staying here. So that is not done yet, and that was getting, yeah, auntie copy city man. Oh my god, jab I'm talking tabhi sabko aana tha. So these things were getting prolonged a lot, and now we've like finalized a date as to when we want to do, because we want to call our family at home as well. And we were just yesterday what we did was like over the years we've like collected few items that we want to take over there, like basic things like cushion covers, and like glasses, some crockery, etc. Whatever few things were already over there, like we had taken that in the past. Few things we took it from here. So right now also my dad has already gone there. We've called a person to clean the house and all, like deep clean the house properly, like each and every slab, each and every tile, everything. Because the building is still like it's not under construction anymore, but still like there is some work that is going on, like painting and like all of that. And the person staying next to us, the neighbor, he has like literally just started with his housework. So all the dust and all from his house also comes here, and we don't stay there yet because like the ceremony is not done. So like the dust keeps accumulating, so like once the ceremony is done we can now actually go and stay there. I'll go have a shower, quickly get changed, and like take a few things from here to that house and like go help dad and like set up a few other things. Also we did order a few things from Amazon which did arrive. I placed the order last night, and एक चीज़ तो Amazon fresh से गलती से मंगा ली, and it came at night only. How cute is that? We are still in Diwali mode only. Yeah. So I ordered these vacuum storage bags. So we have like a lot of like winter like jackets and clothes and all in that house, and we don't want to put all of those things there because we don't have that kind of storage, but we do have that kind of storage here. So I'll be taking these over there and figuring out, at least put the clothes in this and see कि और मंगाना नहीं मंगाना, then we'll get everything here and all, we'll figure that out. Also ordered two more things, like two other organizers. One is a brush holder set kind of thing that I can use here also, and there's another like an undergarments organizer that I've ordered. So I don't think I'll be taking that over there because I already have other things to be taken. I hope you all have understood कि क्या चल रहा है between both the houses. I'll keep you all updated. Now I'm very late. Need to go shower, get ready, and get out of the house. Let's go. I'm ready. This is what I'm wearing the same kurta from yesterday only because ये already खराब होने वाला है. And this is what I look like with all the saman. And let's guys, so I've come back home like literally 10-15 minutes ago. It's currently 5:45 and I came home 10 minutes ago. Actually, my dad and I should have come home quite early, but we were almost leaving from that house and we found out that passage area mein there is some leakage and we were trying to find out कि क्या है. Then we called the person. We thought कि washing machine से कुछ आ रहा है issue because like the person who had come to clean the washing machine, because the person who had come to clean the house actually shifted the washing machine a bit and we thought उसके वजह से शायद कुछ problem आ रहा है, but we couldn't figure out what it is. So we made a few calls here and there just when we thought we were making progress. Actually we cleaned quite a lot of like सब साफ सफाई हो गई. हमारे घर में गैस नहीं थी अभी तक, so गैस का इंस्टॉलेशन भी हो गया. So we were looking for that finally we'll be able to do the ceremony on Saturday, but now this leakage thing has happened and we don't know कि क्या होगा क्या नहीं. And we have not eaten anything since morning. My dad is still there and I hope he orders something and he eats. मैं भी अभी रास्ते में आते वक्त I just brought a sandwich and I'm just making tea because head is spinning and want tea. ऐसे situation में I always require chai. I am a chai person. Even though I work at a coffee company and I love impulse coffee, like I love coffee. Like शाम होते ही मुझे actually coffee की craving होती है. अब I'm at that stage, but today just I'm so tired that I need chai. This is the cup in which I'm having chai. So cute. I just got this on Christmas Day. I brought this from Miniso. It's so cute. Harry Potter. It says Hogwarts Express 9 3/4 platform. My god, this is so cute. मेरी चाय उबल रही है यहाँ पे. Probably should add milk. चाय पीऊँगी, sandwich खाऊँगी and I'll go. And I don't know when I'll update you all, but I'll update you all. Hi guys, good morning. It's 1st of Jan. Happy New Year 2026. And yes, I look like this because of... Anyways, I look like this because I've just come out of the shower, I've washed my hair and I've been seeing Stranger Things finale episode. I've completed 1 hour of it already. And it was quite intense. I mean, I did not think it would be so intense, but yes, it is. And I could not vlog yesterday. I did tell you all about what happened at the house with the leakage and all, but everything is now solved. And everything is now solved and we are on for Saturday, so we can now go ahead with the puja and everything. So yep, that's the main update. And I've just done some skincare. I have to still apply sunscreen. My skin has been breaking out quite a lot in the past few weeks, majorly because also I was on my period, but even before that because of the pollution. So even last year during the same time my skin did break out, and as I was saying, last year also during this time I saw that my skin was breaking out in the same manner. So this is definitely because of the pollution. And like, I've not changed anything in my skincare routine right now. Whatever I've been using, I'm using that. But I think I might see a doormat in few days. I don't know when. Trying to finish that off in this month only because it's been pending for quite some time. Also, I did want to wake up early and like start exercising, etc., but it did not happen. Like I was like, today is my last day of chutti before I resume work, so I wanted to sleep in, so I've just slept in. I woke up at 10 o'clock, yes, but I've done quite a lot of things. Jo bhi ghar ka whatever work was done and all, I've done that, finished that, yes. Now I'll blow dry my hair, complete Stranger Things, do a little more work, and then I'll give you all an update when there's something to update about. And my dad had come in the morning today because he had to get some work done with the electrician and all. Now that is done. The person to set up the fridge is coming, so the fridge has come. By the way, the fridge is here, like all the appliances, everything is here. The fridge is here already, like it's functional, everything, but the person is coming to like put the trolley beneath this so that it's not touching the ground, because this gets heated up and all of that. So there's some time in between till that guy comes. So my dad has gone down to actually get a haircut and also have lunch. By that time I'm just trying to like clear up some things, like jo bhi idhar udhar pada hai, just get things cleared. We haven't like set up the house yet, like with utensils and jo bhi cheeze. Like we brought a few things are there, so I can show you all that. This is what my kitchen looks like here, and on this side there's lots of pasara everywhere. So we have like just put a few things here, few glasses and some tissues, kitchen roll, my impulse ka gift box, and by the way, the gas is also done, chimney is done. Over here also we have a few glasses and few boxes, etc., all of that. And over here we have actually set up few plates and everything. Oh no, there's no plate here, it's down, I think. Oh yes, plates are here, and I think few other bowls and stuff. Yes, all of this is here. Yeah, this is the condition of the hall currently. Actually this is the main thing. Ye ek baar chala jayega, so clear ho jayega most of it. So this is like some files and all of my dad and his clients वगैरह की सब file है, so that needs to go. Rest everything over here is actually clear, just these boxes and like these things need to be cleaned up and just set up. I'll take you all in the bedroom की हालत भी ऐसी है. It's pretty much clean, only just these few things need to go in place. These all are the cupboards. This is my dad's cupboard जिसमें अभी हमने थोड़ा पसारा dump किया है. This is my mom's cupboard, and I have two cupboards, this one and this one right in the middle. I've got two because mine is very small, like this cupboard is quite small. I have like set up few things, so like some jackets and like some basic top, one skirt, night suit, etc. And yeah, these are the things. Few of these things are over here. And what else? This is like a not walk-in, but like just a place to like hang the clothes, and there's a mirror there that can come out, so it's a movable thing. Over this is my mom's cupboard, not opening that. And this is like another, like a shelf kind of situation, not a cupboard. So I just put up a mirror that I got from IKEA, so that's a mirror. Hello, few books here, and I put a hair straightener. Yep. And by the way, this also comes out, so this is a sliding cabinet because we didn't have a place to put the mirror, so this is where we have a mirror. So full size mirror here, and if we want we can get that out also for a full size mirror. So two full size mirrors we have. And if you open this, there are some shelves, and I've put a few things. So perfume, hairspray, full other perfumes, serum, body lotion, and other perfumes and stuff. yes, that's the update right now. Actually, I have ordered a few organizers from Amazon which came yesterday. I told you I did not show y'all, but it's come. So I've brought that here. So I'll just जो भी इसमें कपड़े मैंने रखे हैं I'll try setting that up in the organizer till that fridge वाला person comes, and then we do the fridge ka thing. Setting up a house is not easy. Whoever said that, you know, once the paint and everything is done, then the fun part begins of setting up, that person has never set up a house. That is why he or she says that this is a fun part. It's not fun at all. It's very tiring. But that's what adulting is about. Let's do this. Completely forgot to end the vlog. I hope you all enjoyed watching my first ever vlog. I will get better with time for sure. And yeah, this was my first time. So if you have any feedback, you all want to see anything else, whatever it may be, please write it down in the comments. I'm reading all your comments for sure. I'll be back super soon with another video. Till then, like, share, comment, and of course subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys super soon.